down there is he will be crowned three-time winner here in ADRL. Look at that fire coming out of the back. I don't know who's braver. Two young ladies, Jessica and Knockout Hillary, or the guy standing right next to the fire coming out of this